Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make $20,000 by copy pasting the products from ChatGPT. So to do that, first of all, we have to open a tab in our browser, default browser, and here we have to search as OpenAI, openai.com. So here we can see here it is ChatGPT site. So we click on products and we have ChatGPT. Second, so here we will click on try on web. So here it's verifying. So basically we will sell the product through kit.co. So it's like a affiliate thing. You have to make a page in your like Pinterest and Instagram, and you have to do the marketing for the product. So here we have to just open a new chat, and here we'll search as top most selling products for travel. You can search as top 10. So it's uh, so here we can see we have here 10 products for our traveling. So first of all we have a suitcase and travel pillow, travel adapter, portable charger, noise cancelling headphones, travel wallet, travel sized toiletries, travel bottles, travel friendly clothing, portable luggage scale. So here are the 10 products. So we can just search as more. Okay, we can search as more. So showing more. So here we can see. First of all, we can just make affiliate of suitcase. So we'll come here and here we have to click on our sign up or for creators. So it is for creators. So creators are who add the product on your kit. We wait for a few minutes and easy. That's easy. So share annuals and tell your kit uh, wherever you follow and earn money. So we can just sign up. So we can just sign up with our mail. So I don't have account. Sign up with mail. So here I am taking at my temporary mail. So I'm using from here as temporary mail. So I can just use as here as emailinator. Copy this. Here I'm like taking as sample password. Create account. So our account has been created. So let's create a kit. So basically our kit name will be travel pack, and here is our description. So let's ask for a description for ChatGPT only. So write write a package description on of travel pack. So here you can see the travel pack. You can just make it short. So we can just tell them ChatGPT to make it short. So here we can see we can just copy this, paste it here. We can do next. So here is our product and link. So let's search the product. So first of all we have searched the product for our affiliate is top here suitcase. So we can just search a suitcase here. So here we can see the suitcase are here. So let's add a good looking suitcase. So we can add this suitcase, or this suitcase is actually big. We can just add uh, this suitcase is looking cool also. Plus, and we can just add to kit. So it's one added. Then to add more, so we can just add a travel pillow. So here you can see. So let us add this one. So we can add a noise cancelling headphone, not travel wallet. And we can add our travel size toiletries also. So we can just add this. And we can just add this also, toiletries. So this bag is looking good. We can just add this. So we can just add a bottle sanitizer, friendly clothing, portable luggage scale. We can just add this also. So we can just use this also. So add to kit. So here it is done. So package ready. We click on done. Then here is our check out my latest. You do Twitter and we can just share. So this is showing error. So we can just wait. We can just check it out my latest. So it's showing error. For now we can just share it later. No thanks. Here is your travel pack ready. So you can just see as travel pack is ready. So if you want to buy, just buy from here. So after making this and after approving to your or Twitter, and you can just copy the link, share the kit, share this kit. You can just copy. Okay. Then we can just go to a private window. Just check. So here is a kit. Yes, here is a kit. So if anyone want to buy, for example, I want to buy this product, I'll click on this product. So this products will cost me, the cost will be shown there. So as you can see, these are the products. So we can just buy. Okay. So when you've done this, you can just open your Instagram, your Pinterest. So in Instagram, you have to make a profile related to the product or a package you are selling. So for example, I'm selling a travel package, so I will make a travel. And here in Pinterest, same. So here also, if you are making a business of travel, you have to make a travel page business. Okay. From here, you can just see. You can just click on sign up. So here, you can just log in from your account and you can make sales. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.